Hi, welcome back coders. I'm Suresh Kumar Tolisaram welcoming you for the 30 days of Python series. Today's day 10. I'll take up list in Python now. So far we have learned install in Python, first program in Python, variable and data types, variable naming rules, operators in Python, bitwise operators, bitwise shifting operators, and string escape sequences like that. Up to day 9 we have seen, now day 10. Today's topics are what is list, creating and accessing list, modifying list methods overview, list methods in action, nested list, hands-on example, quick recap, and MCQs. Today we'll explore what is a list. A list is an ordered, mutable collection that can store multiple items like numbers, strings, or other lists can be appended. Okay, but it should be defined in square bracket. Please remember this. I will show you example. Now you will see the examples of list here. Numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print number, the output will come. A list of string is names equal to Alice, Bob, Charlie within name. Within scores we have to give. Okay. See the print names. These are the lists. List can be numbers, list can be strings. One more example you can see. One more example, mixed type list. It can be combination of numbers and strings, and also it can be a combination of matrix also. Okay, so it can be a number of lists, can be list number of lists also. You see example 4, a nested list. Empty list is empty equal to 2 square brackets. Print empty, the output will be empty come. A list of booleans, true, false like that, you have to declare like this. So list can be a booleans also. So these are the example shows a list, how to prepare the list. Now we will see the other example also. List contains elements of different data types. See combo list. It combinations of all boolean, strings, everything. So lists are ordered collections. These are mutable. They can store in a mix of data types including numbers, strings, booleans, and other lists, even custom objects. Creating and accessing list. See fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. That can be created like this, a variable called fruits. And you can see the index value is 0, 1, 2. Apple is 0, banana is 1, cherry is 2. In reverse, cherry is -1, banana is -2, and -3 is apple. So key points you should remember, indices start from 0 and negative indices count from the end. Okay, how to modify the list? Fruits, one index equal to orange. One index banana will be replaced by orange. This example shows banana is replaced by orange. In this example, append, insert, pop, remove, sort, reverse, clear. These are the commands. Append added to the end. Insert at position. You have to give index value. Then that position will be replaced. Pop, index, remove by index. Pop means it will remove the last one. Pop, if you give index value, that index value, the value will be removed. Remove item, remove by value. So here you can see this example. Numbers equal to 3, 1, 4, 2. The append 5, you see. That will appear in the last. In pop command, remove the last one. Okay, remove 10, that value 10 is removed. Sort you see 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse is 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. Clear command, it clear everything. I'll show you the demonstration after some time. Here matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are two things are there. Matrix 1, 2, that is 6 is the answer. That is 1 means 0, 1. 0 is 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 is 1. In that second list, second item is 6. 0, 1, 2 is the last one, 6. Like that, 0, 2 is 3. 1, 0 is. Lists are mutable, ordered collections. These are things you must remember. Create within the square bracket, access with indices. Modify using methods like append, insert, pop, remove, etc. So you have to recap this thing. Regular practice, you will remember forever. Hi, welcome back, coders. Welcome to the demonstration for the list. Firstly, we'll declare one variable for inserting list. You have to use open bracket. This is actually in a square bracket. So banana, apple, mango, close bracket. Now you see I declared one variable called fruits. I open two brackets. Okay, this is actually a square bracket. Within the three values I have given: banana, apple, mango. Now you see print, the three value will be shown and type of fruits is list. Okay, now first command is we will see how to add the item. Otherwise we will see one thing. Firstly, we want to view the item. How to view the item? Okay, see you have the variable name is fruits. What is in 0th position? What is in first position? Index. Okay, second position. And -1, -2, -3. So index value will see fruits with square bracket use -2. It will show apple. Fruits -3. It will show banana. Right. Similarly, positive value, if you put 2, it will show mango. Clear? So index values start from left to right. Positive 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, and right to left -1, -2, -3. So positive values start from 0, negativity start from -1. Now we'll see how to add the item. There are two commands for adding the item. One is append, one is insert. Okay, append, we'll see first append. Append fruits dot append. If you type, if you want to add one more item, you have to give within bracket cherry. It will append the data. You see, print fruits, it will append in the last. Please remember, when you say append the value, that value will be in the last. Now I want to insert here in between apple and mango. What is the position? 0, 1, 2. So in second index I want to insert one more name avocado. Okay, for that fruits dot insert, you have to give the index value, comma, avocado. Now you see fruits. My shift is not working. Okay, no problem. See, avocado is inserted in the second index. You have seen two commands for append and insert. Append, it will append to the last. Insert, if you give the value, it will insert to the position. So these two commands are good. Now one more list I want to add. For that, extend is there one more. Fruits dot extend. So I'm opening one more. Apricot. I'll just add one more. Lime. Grapes. Okay. Square bracket. Now this will be appended to the last of these fruits. Print fruits, see, appended to the last. So one more list also can be appended. For adding everything is okay. Now how to remove the item. Modify item, you know, during add only you can modify, so it is mutable. Now how to remove the item, we will see one by one. That command is fruits dot pop. You simply say pop, it will remove the last item. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to remove particular things, fruits dot remove within bracket, you say mango to remove mango, say it will remove the mango. Sorry, print fruits. You see, the mango is removed. Mango is removed. You can give index value also, 0, 1, 2. Now you see here, we have modified here, na? 0, 1, 2, 3. This should be removed. Either 3 I give or minus 3 I will give. This will be removed. How? Print fruits dot pop minus 3. Pop minus 3, it will remove cherry. Okay, removed. Altogether I want to remove everything. Simple command, clear. It will remove everything. Nothing is there in now. Okay, I will just add one more. I want to show special command, na? Sorry, command. I want to add. Okay, I just added here. Now it got this many. Okay, here the special command is one sort command is there. If you put sort fruits dot sort, it will actually sort means alphabet wise arranged. You see, so list can be sorted. How? Using sort command, alphabet wise arranged. Now one more command is there, reverse. How to reverse this? Fruits dot reverse, print fruits. See, apricot will become last, mango will become front. Correct? So that's all today.